gonna move on to this thing. This thing that you haven't seen for a while. The good old Firebird, so-called Stan Sam, you feel me? So what we're gonna do right now is, I got a new handbrake. I'll show you that, that's a real cool piece and all that. Now we're gonna make a bracket for it, because it's not like all other drift cars, Japanese cars, where there's kits and brackets and all kinds of fancy stuff. So, gotta make our own. And I hate that. So this right here is my new OPP hydraulic handbrake. So basically it's an inline one, so you know your brake line or whatever for the rear goes in here and then comes out here. I'm actually not sure if it's the other way around or whatever, but we'll figure that out. And we have this nice, quite short actually, billet aluminum handle, which I kind of like, instead of having those giant tall. So it's real nice. Got these ball bearing stuffs in here and all kinds of sexy stuff. So basically we need to make a bracket down here for these bolt holes. We're gonna have it located right there in between the shifter and the seat. So we need like a plate and then something that goes down and support on the transom or whatever. So basically what we got over here is a pretty thick flange for the handbrake itself. And then I was thinking this funny L looking bracket thing down to the transom. So if you could imagine this is gonna hover from the transom, right? The transom is round, so it meets the surface here and then it bends down, right? So basically having it sit like this, so the transom go from here and down to here. So this is gonna be like the leg or the support for the bracket itself.
By all perpetual motion. When it gets lonesome, I can't carry it far. Hopping on and off the wagon, so I get.
So this is the bracket we came up with, and maybe we're gonna have to bend it into shape a little bit. But right now, 2 bolts through here to the transom, and 2 bolts with some shims down here, and then a little spacer in here. And then we should be good. Then we just have to drill 4 holes up here for the handbrake mount itself. So, you know, I'm not a fabricator, but this came out better than expected, I think. So, you know, hopefully it's gonna work. So we just drilled our mounting holes in the body over here, and then we also marked up here where the hole's gonna be for the handbrake itself. So that's gonna be real nice, real cool. Very cool, actually. Very fucking. Basically got the bracket made, bent it into shape a little bit more, and drilled our holes for the handbrake. I don't know what happened to this hole up here. The drill bit basically just started like walking towards the other hole and made that mess. So I don't know, we still have 3 bolts to mount it to, and then we're just gonna use a smaller bolt up here. But now we're gonna give it some nice paint and just grind it down real quick so it matches the rest of the interior. So there we go. After grinding down some stuff and you know, painting it, it honestly came out pretty damn good. This looks like a bracket that could have been in the kit, you know. It's pretty cool. Really like it. So let's try to see if we can mount it in the car now. So the handbrake is mounted and everything now, and it's really awesome. It's really sturdy. We're only missing actually 1 bolt right now, but even though, you know, I can't rock this out of place at all. Now one thing we're gonna do is adjust the lever so it gets a little bit closer, as when you're strapped in the harness and everything, you're not really able to move your shoulders, and you kind of move your shoulders right now to reach it all the way over here. So what we're gonna do is we have this adjustable holes right down here. So we're gonna take the Allen key out and then put it in here, and that should move the shaft a little bit closer, I would think. So gonna try that. So as you guys can see right here, we're able to just take out the Allen wrench, and then we can put it into another hole over here. There we go, and now it's a little bit closer, probably 1 to 2 inches closer to your hands or whatever. So that's real great. That's awesome. Definitely better. What's up, fam? Copyright, yo. So one thing we need for our regulations and stuff for running in the drifting series is these tow hooks. We need one front and rear. So Here's a sleek way to install this on your Firebird. Get it up through the bumper here. Then you actually, first of all, you take a bolt up through the bumper here, and then you gotta find the hole, you know. That can be quite tough if you haven't tried that before. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? And then when you figure out the bolt is too big, you stop the video, and BAM! Back at it again with the Y-bands. There we go. Hopefully this time around. Same issue as before. So, for the first time, because first time job and stuff, I don't know, what the hell. You're gonna bring this sucker up here, you're gonna thread it through, and it's gonna fucking fit, you know? Look at that, my dude. Hell yeah. Hell